Morning, y'all. Charlie here, Gettin'Er Outdoors. Hey, we're out on the high. It's a beautiful fall morning. Got a little chill in the air, but nothing terrible. And we're gonna be dragging some planer boards as I usually do. Try to put some fish in the boat. So what I got for bait today is gizzard shad, crappie, and believe it or not, I just caught a hybrid on dragging a planer board, so he may be getting cut up if need be. But yeah, starting to get a little bite on this board right here, a little channel cat bite. But we're gonna see if we can put some fish in the boat. Hang with me. That's a good takedown. We got a double, boys. We got a double. We got a double going on. This one over here. This one over there. Try to get this one in. This ain't a bad fish. Oh yeah, big old bubbles. Oh, this is good fish. This is good fish here. And I ain't even got the net ready. Oh, this is a nice fish here, boys. Let me swap these over. This one over and get the net. That one's still on. Man, we got a little confusion going on here, boys. Let me get this one in. Yeah, this is good fish. This thing might go 40. Oh, this is a big old fish. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl, get in the net. Can't get her in the net. There we got it. Dude, that's a big fish. Let me reel this one in a little more. Oh, I got one going there. We got a triple. Boys, we got a triple. I got total chaos going on here. This one ain't so big. I'm gonna put this one in the rod holder over here. Got a freaking mess. Hopefully I still got this one on because it was pulling drag. Yeah, this one's still on. Oh, triple, man, it was hectic. This seems like a good fish too. Ain't as big as that first one. That big girl there, whew. I gotta put the scale on her. Yeah, this is another little one. Hold on there, big girl. I want to get you back in the water. Any spot lock? I think I'm hung up. Come on out there. this is dink number 3 fish going in. Alright, number 2 blue cat going in. Let's get after the big girl here. And I got a mess in this boat. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm snagged up. Got rods everywhere. All right, big girl, let's get you taken care of. Oh yeah, look at that big old girl right there, boys. Oh yeah. Yeah, good fish. Dang good fish. I can get a length on her though. "46 inches long. 46 inches long. One more good look at the pig. Oh yeah. Dandy fish. Dandy fish. Let's get this girl back in the river where she belongs. Future state record right here, boys. Come on, girl, let's go in. She gone. Yes. Yes. Woo. I'm wore out, boys. That was 3 takedowns. The big girl hit first. I got one hung up. Boy, poles everywhere. The bite's on this morning. If you don't think I'm going to go through and re-drag that, you got another thing coming. I'm going to reel up. I'm going to go back down, drag that same piece again. Getting her outdoors. Let's go. All right, y'all. It's time to wrap things up here on the Ohio River. We had a good morning. Put 4 fish in the boat, 1 big girl. So this time of year, we're going to call that a wrap because it is November 11th. And here at Gettin'Er Outdoors, we double dip. We do everything outdoors, Gettin'Er. So the deer rut's in full swing. It's time to get in the stand. I'm going to wrap these up and let's go out and get in the deer woods, see if we can see a big buck. Let's go. All right, we're back in the stand. November 11th, rut is on. We're going to see what we can do. There's one more big buck in here. See if I can finish out my bow season. We got a big girl this morning. Let's see if we can get a big boy tonight. Gettin'Er Outdoors in the tree. Hey guys, no big bucks shot today, but it was a good day overall. Gettin'Er Outdoors, fishing and hunting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next outdoor adventure. Keep Gettin'Er in the outdoors.